Over time, the sutures are absorbed by the body, leaving behind scar tissue that helps the soft palate keep its position and stiffness, which can reduce snoring and improve breathing during sleep. The procedure doesn't require a big incision and won't affect daily life. For those whose sleep is disrupted by snoring, it's a safe and effective option that can really make a difference. Of course, it's not right for everyone. Whether it's suitable must be evaluated by a professional doctor. Do you know someone whose sleep is ruined by snoring? Or are you curious what this minimally invasive procedure actually feels like? Share your thoughts in the comments.